Hey guys, it's Steven with Foxtrot Family Law. Got a great question on AVO today. Want you to focus on two themes that we're going to talk about when we read this question. One, never hurts to ask. As a rule of thumb, go get what you want or go try to get what you want. We're going to talk about that. Second thing is agency and control. Even if we are not in control of everything we want, are we in control of what we're supposed to have control of? So let's take a look at a specific question here and see what's going on. Can I get custody back? Gave birth to a child with marijuana in my system. Guardianship was given to my mother. Guardianship, okay, there may be some terminology there. That's something different, but we'll see. Okay. Since then, I have had another child that I still have legal custody of. Also, be careful with legal custody. That might not mean what you think it means. My mother has had legal custody, but once I got my life in order, the kids have been with me physically. My mother is 64. She has health issues. She has control issues. And if I don't do exactly what and when she wants, she takes my kids. Can I file a petition to get my kids back? The answer is yes. Yes, of course, you can file a petition to get your kids back. And that doesn't mean the judge is going to grant the petition, but we come up on our first theme of this question, which is, what are you going to do? Not ask because you're afraid the judge is going to say no? So I'm just going to do nothing? Does that get you where you want to be? I don't know. Maybe it's not worth hiring a lawyer, or it's not worth taking the time to prepare the paperwork or to go through the process. If you don't know exactly what's going to happen, I'm going to let you make your own decision about that. But if you want to hold your head up and know that you've done everything you can to get your kids back the right way and to have agency and control over the day-to-day operations of your family and your household, then not only can you file a petition, you've got to. You're required to. Otherwise, you're going to be dealing with what it sounds like you're dealing with for however long you're going to tolerate dealing with it. You've got this individual who still has on paper custody of your children, who's going to lord that over you whenever and however this individual sees fit. So the longer you let this situation go on, the harder it may be to change, and you might not even have the chance to change it. If your mother says, you know what, we're just going to follow the order. I'm tired of the back and forth. I'm tired of whatever you two might be dealing with between each other. She's just going to move the kids back in because she's got the paperwork that says she's got the legal right to do that. You're going to have a really hard time, a much harder time succeeding on any petition that you bring before the court. Yes, I would consider this a time-sensitive issue. Yes, you can bring a petition. You need to control what you can right now. You have the decision and the power to either do something about this or not do something about this. That's what you control. She's got a certain amount of control right now because she's got the paperwork. So what you need to do is focus on what you can control. I can seek to change the paperwork. I can decide unilaterally to enter into a process to change the paperwork, to get more control legally over the situation so you don't have to deal with the back and forth. So yes, you can absolutely do this. Yes, you need to take control of what you control, hopefully over time as you make progress, or at least show the judge the progress you've already made. Then you'll get control and be able to put a stop to what you're dealing with. But I don't think you're going to be able to do it alone. I'd really reach out to a lawyer in your area, a child custody lawyer in your area that you can go meet with, that you can retain to guide you and advise you and advocate for you through this process. Because when you enter into a courtroom, when you go before a judge, doing so without a child custody lawyer is ominous. I know one of the themes of this video was the worst the judge can say is no. But when you walk into that courtroom, maybe the judge asks everybody for a drug test, and maybe you've got something in your system. Maybe you're on CBD oil. Maybe you're dilute because you had too much sweet tea. I don't know. You need to be prepared for these sort of things, and you're going to need to work with a child custody lawyer to be as effective as possible. Wish you and your family the best of luck. Thanks for your question. Hope this helped. If it's helped anybody else, please like, comment, or subscribe. And we look forward to answering more of your questions here on our channel. Thanks.